there have been continuous efforts by the government of Ethiopia to pave the way for capital market on finance sector in the last 5 years. The establishment of a strong ecosystem and capital market is in the best interest of Kenya's Nairobi Securities Exchange (NSE), which was established in 1954. In an exclusive interview with Ethiopian news agency, NSE CEO Frank Mwiti hailed Ethiopia's government for establishing the Ethiopian Securities Exchange and fostering a supportive ecosystem for the capital market. He noted that Ethiopia is an economic powerhouse even as it is now, and its capital market could uplift growth in the East Africa region.
The government of Ethiopia for not just setting up the capital markets sector and the plans they have to create the Ethiopian Securities Exchange and all the other ecosystem around that. I think that's formidable. It's a very big signal of what the government is thinking in terms of opening up, liberalizing some of the sectors for foreign investors. But more importantly, it's very exciting for us because it will enable the region, East Africa. I mean, Ethiopia is a economic powerhouse, even as we said, okay? So for an economic powerhouse like Ethiopia to develop and open up its capital markets, in order for this, it is a big benefit for the East Africa region, including Kenya.
In order to solve challenges in building a sustainable East African capital market ecosystem, the CEO highlighted key areas for building a strong East African capital market, including capacity building, deepening local markets, policy harmonization.
I do think that the more we deepen the capital markets in Ethiopia, the easier it is, for example, for governments around East Africa, maybe Pan-African, you never know, to be able to, for example, come to Ethiopia and say, hey, we have this project that will serve the East African market. How can we use the Ethiopian capital markets to support financing such infrastructure? Think, for example, how much infrastructure the region needs around railways, around ports, around energy, around agriculture. I mean, we need to collaborate.
Ethiopia's embrace of finance sector liberalization, particularly its capital market development, paves the way for a stronger and more integrated East Africa. According to him, collaboration and knowledge sharing, as championed by Nairobi Securities Exchange, will be instrumental in achieving this goal.